My edges started breaking off. Okay, let's talk about it. The Cecred Edge Drops. There's always a lot of discussion online. Does it work? Does it actually grow your hair back? A lot of it is routine, you guys. You guys cannot just try it for a week and be like, oh no, it doesn't work. A lot of people are also saying that there's a dupe out there. Cecred uses like proprietary ingredients, so you can't dupe something that you don't know what's in. All of that to say, I think this works amazing. My edges started breaking off and I'm starting to get like small little new growth growing in, and I know it's new growth because it's just like a bunch of like little tiny hair, and it almost, I don't want to say it's just a bunch of like little tiny hair, so it's exciting. I had some like a little bit of breakage here and here, so I've been using this not as religiously as I could, but I can say like within a week or so I was like, oh wow, I'm starting to see some progress there. What I'm not seeing is less hair there. So okay, so let's talk about this. It comes out like this pretty purplishy color, and this one smells so good too. And then you just drop it along your hairline. I'll insert some B-roll. You want to make sure this does not roll down like the side of your face, or if it does, you wipe it up right away because the ingredients in here are reactive. So do with that what you will.